Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So we just have this magnetic power bank. 2-in-1 wireless charger and power bank. Capacity is 500 milliamp hour and for iPhone 12 and up. Or what? I don't know what that is. Mag ring is what it says. Okay. Pretty shiny on the sides. And here's what it is. Alright, let's open it up. Comes with a important reminder. And then manual with a USB A to C. And then we have this battery bank here. So it has a USB A port, a C, and a lightning cable port to charge it. See right now, it has 2 bars. Okay, let me get my phone. Use Magsafe, right? So put it together, as you see, it starts charging. Okay. Doesn't have a stand or anything like other brands, but yeah, it just charges. And if you are interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you'll help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.